Basically, we're seeing every AI company surging. We're seeing companies in their earnings calls mention AI just to sort of try to get a boost. We're seeing indiscriminate gains here throughout AI-related stocks. So eventually, that'll sort of shake out, and we'll see some winners and losers. But we're not at that point yet. So.
Yeah, I mean, in the dot-com bubble, for every Amazon that made it out the other side unscathed, you have like probably 10 pets.coms. So that's a great point. I wanted to read a comment from Laura, who left it on our LinkedIn, and she agrees that we're in a bubble. She says, every tech or not so tech company is throwing big money into AI, regardless of it actually driving value for their business. The market will eventually normalize, but we'll have to wait and see what it costs. So Will, what's your take on that? Do you agree with Laura?
Well, I think she's right on in the sense that, if you look back to the dot-com bubble, the internet, everyone was dumping money into this. Every stock was, adding .com to the end of their name. And of course, investors were right that the internet transformed the economy, but it took a lot longer than they had expected. So we could see a similar scenario where it could take until the 2030s before AI actually starts to seep into the economy and benefit some of these smaller firms. So.
And the investors might get impatient. That's a long ways from now.
Exactly.
5 years. That's you don't want to keep throwing money into a black hole and not seeing a tangible result.